So this is the table that we've developed for the latest generation of Scania trucks, and it's patented, and the patent relates to the stored position. It's positioned with an angle, so the field of view for the driver can be improved, and fulfilling regulations coming in 2029. We are sitting in the S cab, the biggest of the cabs, but this table can be chosen for all the different cab types. And it's a very popular accessory. A lot of drivers choose it, especially those who have a living cab. When living in the cab, it's good that you can also partially fold it in and move around in the cab and come back and unfold it. It's also very robust for applying load. The table is designed in the magnesium painted finish. It has a integrated mat, or two of them, and it has sliding wheels and slides in and out on, and it's also have a locking function, so that in its inner position is completely locked. So the patent relates to solving the field of view, but the table also fulfills all the design demands we have on the table, such as crash demands, stability, life length of opening and closing. So it's really a good Scania product. And off you go!